Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you all the features on the Honda NC750X dashboard. This is a 2025 model. Here we go. Here is a quick explanation of the toggle switch. Right is enter, left is exit or back, down is down, and up is up. To get to the settings, press right, press down, and press right again. Here we have the rider modes. Here we can customize them. This is the user mode. We have P for power. It is adjustable from 1, 2 and 3. We have EB for engine braking. That is also adjustable to 1, 2 and 3. D we have for DCT. This is how long it keeps it in gear before it changes. We have this in 4 steps. And T is traction control or torque control. On the right it shows you the preset modes so you can compare and just tweak your user modes if you like. For example, I like the sport mode, but I want all the torque control on, so I put that to 3, whereas on the preset mode it is set to 1. So here you can see the preset modes. We have standard, sport and rain. You can see in rain mode everything is to a minimum apart from traction torque control, which is up to the maximum which you would expect. And also sport mode, everything is up, and torque traction control is at the bottom. And we have a really even playing field on standard mode. So in this sub menu we'll also have shift point, and this is when the light flashes you, tell you to shift gear. Mine is set to 6,000, which I think is a little bit low, so I am going to increase it to around 6,500. So I press up, then go back, and it will save. You can also toggle it on or off if you like. So trip auto reset will reset every time you turn the bike on and off. Here we can disable the mobilizer if you want to save your battery and you're storing it in a safe place over the winter by turning the HISS on or off. And lastly, in this sub menu we have the economy indicator. This just tells you when the bike is optimum and using the best fuel efficiency, and you can toggle that on or off. Right, let's go back to the other menu called display, and here we can change the display type. We can have the simple mode, circle mode, or bar. This is the bar mode. This is the circle mode. And this is the symbol mode. We have the mileage a little bit larger. We can change the brightness. We have it on auto, or you can manually adjust it. You can also change the background to white or black or automatic. I like the black because I prefer a black backing. Right, we can change the favourite settings, which shows at the bottom right hand corner. We can change anything we want. Anything that's green there will show in this display, and you can cycle through. And we can also have another menu setting where we can see 2 items on the display, and we can also select what we can see in these main displays in the bottom right hand corner when it's on the main screen. Right, let's go back to the favourite switch. You can set what happens when you hold the centre button. I've put it as trip reset, and this is how you change the date and time. We can change the day, the month, the year, the hours, the minutes. You can change the 12-hour clock or 24-hour clock as well. To save it, just go back. You can change the units of measure from miles an hour or kilometers an hour, miles per litre or miles per gallon. We have many languages to choose from. This is how you restore default settings, and this is how you also restore Bluetooth and pair your phone, and that is what I'm going to get to in a minute. Before we get on to that, we're going to go into the maintenance schedules. We can change when the light comes on to show us how many miles we have left or what date we need to get this service done. And here is mine, May 2026. This is the battery voltage, water temperature and warning info. Nothing is here because the bike isn't running in this video. Equipment, we can see the non-existent heater grips I don't own, and system information, hardware info and software version. Right, let's go back and show you how to connect your phone. So go onto the App Store or Android Store and download the Honda RoadSync app. Select your phone, apply the permissions and connect Bluetooth. If you missed it earlier, this is how you do it to get Bluetooth active on the bike. Go down to General, then go to Bluetooth pairing. Hold the right button. It says proceeding, press right again, and now you should see a Bluetooth icon flashing in the left hand corner. Go on your phone and pair the device. Allow all the permissions, and now you can scroll through the app, set up your routes, look for local food, convenience stores and ATMs, and it will show turn by turn signal navigation. You can also connect your headset to this device so you can listen to Apple Music and control it through the bike. Another cool feature is you can see the local weather as well. Thank you so much for watching. I've been Nick and I'll catch you on the next video. Ride safe.